We are here at the Red and Blue competitions in Great Crossings, Kentucky, which is Scott County, part of the KWI Bluegrass Welding Series. So this competition is a skills competition and an FFA competition all in one location. So let's go over the skills competition. So the Skills USA competition here today is a 3G vertical 60-10 70-18 fill and cap. They have to cut the straps and bend them to see who the winner is. So students that are doing the skills contest are outside on the generator machines, and they can bring their own generator machines as well. Now let's step inside to check out the FFA competition here today. So in here is the FFA competition with the buzz boxes and threes metal. So this has been a Kentucky state welding competition for a very long time. A lot of regions in Kentucky do the threes metal competition. So there's lots of prizes here today for the winners of both the skills competition and the FFA competition. So this is number 5 or 6 on the KWI Bluegrass Welding Series tour. We're here at Great Crossings doing the FFA competition and the Skills USA competition. It's going to be a great day, a lot of competitors, going to be pretty hectic, but we're going to make it through. So a lot of students here today competing in the FFA and the Skills USA competition.